All right, so we put some stuff in here. You can see we got the radiator in, got the battery back in, got the water pump in, got the alternator there. It's just sitting there to pull the water pump. And we got our redneck fuel pump, which is an upside down bottle that feeds the carb. We're gonna give it a little gas down the choke here. It is cold out today, so I don't know if it's gonna start right up or not, but we're gonna see. Here we go. Alright, so the idea is to let it warm up. See what we got for water.
Looks like we have to keep squeezing the fuel thing then.
Yeah, we might have to keep squeezing the fuel.
Yeah, because it's bubbling up into it now.
Oh yeah, I can hear it. Just a little air. Did I put fuel in there? I don't know.
You splashed a little.
A little more ain't gonna hurt nothing.